saw the bright lights of Memphis at the Commodore Hotel. Underneath the street lamp, I met a southern girl. She took me to the river where she cast her spell. And underneath the moonlight, she sang a song so well. You'll be my Dixie chicken, I'll be your Tennessee lamb. We can walk together down in Dixieland. We hit all the nice spots, my money flowed like wine. Till that low-down southern whiskey, it began to fog my mind. And I don't remember church bells or the money I threw down on the white picket fence and boardwalk, on the house on the edge of town. But boy, do I remember the strain of her refrain, the nights we spent together, and the way she called my name. If you'll be my Dixie chicken, I'll be your Tennessee lamb. We can walk together down in Dixieland. Been years since she went away. I guess that guitar picker sure could play. Was always handy with the song. She always liked to sing along. Then one night in the lobby of the Commodore Hotel, I chanced to meet a bartender. He said he knew her well. And as he handed me a drink, he began to hum a song. All the boys there at the bar, they began to sing along. If you'll be my Dixie chicken, I'll be your Tennessee lamb. We can walk together down in Dixieland.